today I dey and I just say some messages come my phone top and I try check the messages and I see say some screenshots with somebody screenshot and it dey show me like Shatta Wale they tell people say make they push one of our songs, make they support we, make they talk about we and stuff. That be what the person they tell me, and I was like, oh, so after these things all way we enter new year inside too, these things still they go on. As we enter new year, where we feel say we all for make word for one ourselves too, these things still they go on. But you see, be like be giddy bia, but you see. This world, if you did, try help yourself. That be the only way I go fit tell you. Because you see, we right now, people they call we bad names. Right now, people they tell we say we be ungrateful. Yeah, that's what people they see we say we be ungrateful. And it be only God. It be only God. Because you see me, my former label where I did there, I swear say the serve I go serve for there. Nobody go serve that serve for there. My former label, Shatta Movement when I did there, me, the serve where I serve for there. Nobody for there go fit serve. Nobody go fit do. Nobody. It be me where they feed dogs for the house. Me. Nobody they do one. Me pay where they do one because I just say I for support my brother. It be me pay where they clean asses for there. Shatta Wale that they clean ass, if ass comes sick from my house, So if today somebody go come tell me say they say make they no push we, make they no support one and works, make they no do this, make they no do this. If you say it good, you go leave everything for God. The only God way to go talk for you. You see me, see my Shatta. We say the right born again for my Shatta inside. You see. My mind and my things, my thinking and everything, they born again. They born my mind and my everything again. So you see me, I get different mind where I dey because I say human being no go fit do you any better unless yourself. Human being no go fit do you any good unless yourself. You dey get me? Because you see, it be crazy. It be crazy. We were right now, they tell bloggers say make they know they support we, make they know they blog we, make they know they do this, make this one no support we, make this. I swear, I just thank God say you see human being no be God. Human being like if my friend, listen, like if human being be God, imagine the things that go to happen for this one world where we dey inside. If like human being be God, if like human being be God, like if human being be God, like just imagine the things that go to happen. Like human being go kill human being go stab human being go make human being go be miserable. Like human being go make human being go be miserable. Like if human being be God. You see, but we just thank God say God be somebody on his own way. He day way, he create we way, just day way they watch we. Anything we they do, whether good, bad, it just they watch we. Like if you be human being, like we go tired before we go even get breath, like and breathe like that. Like we go tired. Like we go tired. Wow. Because you see me, the things are past. Like what I do, you see, I do some song Martin Amidu. And that man, Martin Amidu, he's a very great man. I come learn some things about that man. They don't know him. But through one of politics, where I can go read about him, where you say, this man the great man. This man get MPP and NDC off on your hand. But as things no go, they go on well for him, he just leave them for some way. Say, Charlie, I go make you take your thing. I make I run my thing. That be life. That be life. If you know the fee, you know, support your. If somebody, they work and they give you the attention, the support for give you, and they see you say you be bad, just leave the person and go do. Just find your way, because you see this world, each man for himself. Each man for himself. I no go lie you. I no go lie you. The things where me I pass through, and some things where you do, people want take do me. And right now, me, if I come live or if come Facebook, people they come insult, and some insults we know they make sense, and insults we know they hear, they just they insult you because they do say they follow somebody where you have money. Hey, don't fuck up. Don't come insult, don't come write things where you don't know because if you say they follow somebody where you have money. Don't fuck up because you don't know my background. Hey, you don't know my background. It be where we make people they dress, start wear America things before people start to go America. We. If you don't know, go ask make they tell you. Hey, you do if people they do things like they know. Yesterday fans, the Indomie fans, they do things like they know. And they watch them like they don't know what's up. They know they be damned. They don't even know what they go on. Charlie, you see this thing where they do? Me I dey music, pe. Music. The time of as I dey go school, I be music. As I finish school, be music. So if you go come talk like make I stop music, make I if you want make I stop music, if you pay me, if you treat me, if you pay me all the time, because it's the only music I dey do. So anybody where you want make I stop music, if you pay me, make I stop. If you pay me well better, make I stop the music. Because you don't know where me they come from. You don't know where they. Some people they don't know where they come from. I know some people that they Instagram here, they get sense. A lot of people, sensible people, they Instagram here. You see, and if you are the John me say, you know, sensible people they here where you know they me the vibe well. But some people feel say yeah. They from some place and then from some place and they go fit come talk some things anyhow. While they don't know what they want, they don't know anything, they don't even get any idea. Charlie, I dey beg. I dey do my thing. I don't want to have problem with anybody. I don't want to make any fan go come message me, go tell me say they say make we no push you guys. Who say? Say make they no push we guys, make they no do this, make they no do this. You see, it be so. And the people where they don't know, they never go know till they go take die. The people where they don't know anything, where they talk anyhow, they never go know till they go take die. Because you see, it no be easy. Say you try do something for yourself and somebody to do some place and you go to do things and go to talk anyhow like yeah it be them do things. Nobody do any. You see me where I dey here, nobody do anything for me apart from God and maybe some people where they love me. People where they close to me now. But you see me, nobody go visit some place and talk say he do this for me because you see what we will do for people, money no go fit pay. Money you no go fit pay. If we will carry water for people make they take bath because they don't get water for them house. If we dey carry water for one head truck we dey pull am. Yeah, because before make somebody to feel like he be human being, we dey live on our homes, better homes. They come help people for the day, and you see that be life. If you dey life, if they help people, if they serve people, if they serve people, you see me right now, right up to now, I dey serve people because that be the right way. Two captains no go fit run one ship or run one boat. Two captains. So all the time, if you dey some place where you see say yeah, you be small for the mellow yourself. And do yourself like you don't know anything and take learn. And do yourself like you fool. Because if you do yourself like you be smart, you get mind, they go see you like you be how do they call themselves? They go see you like you they jealous them. Yeah. If you and somebody they do something where they do yourself like you be smart, you be this, they see you like you they jealous them. So all the time, if you do yourself like you fool. But if you do yourself like you fool and they want to treat you like you no be anybody, you no get sense, they go fit treat you anyhow and call you anyhow and do anyhow. My friend, if you advise yourself, then if you advise yourself because it no be easy. Anybody where you feel like you go support we, make you support we. Anybody to where you feel like you go listen to somebody. Right now, people they work with bloggers. When they work with bloggers, they want a body. The time and day when. Right now, 10 bloggers because they know for support we, they know for show we anything, they know for make we, they know for blog one at things, they know for help we. Right now, bloggers where people they work with. When shut up, it be we with the